So next everyone, let's try this technique of the other makeup YouTuber, how they apply their false lashes on. Actually, usually we do put our false lashes top on our lashes. And then now, let's try to install our false lashes under our lashes. Okay? So try natin. Actually, I using this. Actually, ginamit ko na. I already used this false lashes. So, it's because this is my first time. Because we need to cut this one and then apply one by one in our lashes. So, let's try. First, cut natin tong, I want to make it 3. Yeah. 1. And yeah, we have a 3 pieces cut in these lashes, okay? So we have a 3 pieces cut in these lashes. So as you can see, apply natin one by one, okay? So let's try this technique. So let's prepare our lash glue and our tweezer. I'm using this plastic one. So let's apply. So let's apply this. And next, oh my god, my mirror, oh my god. So, my god. This is my first time and it's a very challenge of me. Oh! How to do this? It's my first time. I'm sorry. They're so very easy to retouch their false lashes like that, everyone, no? Like that. Or my, I think, or I think more easier when I apply first the, where's my collage? Where's my collage? Where's my collage? Where's the collage? Okay, nandito na pala ang collage ko. So, ang laki ng mata ko, hindi ko siya nakita. So, like that. Careful when you're applying your lash glue. So next, it's not easy. Because when I saw them, or maybe my lashes is too thick. Maybe I need